Humanity has always struggled with one thing: defining reality in itself. What is reality when considered purely in its own terms? Kant highlighted the key difference between reality in itself, and how we perceive reality. Until Kant, it was believed that there was a real world with noble properties, and then there was a perceived world that contained features not actually present in the world, but present in subjective awareness. Philosophically, this came to be known as the distinction between primary and secondary qualities. In The Matrix, which is all about the question of what reality is, Morpheus says, "What is real? How do you define real? If you're talking about what you can feel, what you can smell, what you can taste and see, then real is simply electrical signals interpreted by your brain. This is what it's all about. We take in signals from the world via our sense organs, and then we process and interpret these signals, using another, different type of signal, electrical signals in the brain, but we have no means to determine how well our interpretation matches reality. We assume it's an accurate interpretation because we seem to function well in the world. When you go to see a movie, you sit in a cinema, and there is an entire external world out there, outside the cinema. Imagine a reality where you are in a one-person cinema, your mind, and you only ever observe what is being shown on the screen in your mind. You can never leave this cinema, and you can never interact with the world except through what you can observe on the screen. You hope and trust that your screen is accurately showing you the real world, but you will never know, because you can never escape from your own mind. You are defined by your mind. You inhabit your mind. You are your mind. You bring the world itself into your mind, but only as your mind's interpretation of it, the accuracy of which is impossible to ascertain.